Unlocking the ethical hacking universe. Welcome to the channel where we dive headfirst into the world of technology, hacking, and cybersecurity. Whether you're a returning viewer or someone who stumbled on this video, you'll love what we have in store today. Stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know about ethical hacking, from the basics to career advice, so you can step into this exciting field with confidence. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. And hey, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or experiences. Who knows? Your comment might inspire our next video. Let's dive into the electrifying world of ethical hacking and discover how you can turn your curiosity about cybersecurity into a powerful skill set and career path. Now let's address the big question. What exactly is ethical hacking? Simply put, ethical hacking is the practice of identifying and fixing vulnerabilities in systems, networks, or applications, but with permission. Ethical hackers, often called white hat hackers, work to safeguard digital infrastructures from cyber attacks. Unlike their black hat counterparts, ethical hackers work with the good guys. They help organizations stay one step ahead of malicious parties, securing data and protecting sensitive information. Think of them as the defenders on the front line of the digital battleground. Why does this matter? Well, as digital technologies evolve, so do cyber threats. Ethical hacking is the backbone of modern cybersecurity efforts, ensuring your online transactions, personal data, and even government systems are protected from attacks. Let's be real for a second. How often do you hear about data breaches and cybercrimes on the news? It seems like every other day, a large corporation or government agency faces a major security incident. This is exactly why ethical hacking is so crucial. Ethical hackers prevent cyber attacks by identifying weaknesses in networks before the bad guys do. They ensure that our private data, medical records, personal emails, financial transactions, stays protected. Without these heroes, the internet would be chaos. The importance of ethical hacking extends beyond individuals too. Imagine a power grid being hacked or an entire city brought to a standstill because someone exploited a system flaw. Scary, right? Ethical hackers play a vital role in preventing scenarios like those. So, who are these ethical hackers anyway? An ethical hacker is essentially a cybersecurity expert trained to think like a bad hacker, but act like a good one. They use their skills to test systems, find vulnerabilities, and fix them, legally and ethically. Ethical hackers are inventive problem solvers who have a knack for technology. They are driven by curiosity, a desire to help others, and the thrill of uncovering hidden flaws in digital systems. But it's not just about their technical skills. They also have to act with integrity, adhering to strict codes of conduct. In the world of hacking, ethical hackers are the white knights, fighting for cybersecurity with skills, determination, and resolve. When people hear the word hacking, some might imagine shady figures in hoodies typing furiously on a keyboard. But hacking is not always about wrongdoing. It depends on the hacker's intent. Let's break it down into three types of hackers. White hat hackers. These are the ethical hackers, the heroes who work to safeguard systems from cyber threats. Black hat hackers. These are the villains of the hacking world, using their skills to gain unauthorized access and cause harm. Gray hat hackers. Somewhere in between, these hackers might expose vulnerabilities without malicious intent, but they don't always have permission to do so. This video is all about empowering you to step into the shoes of a white hat hacker, someone who makes a positive impact by defending against cyber threats. Now, let's talk skills. If you're aiming to become an ethical hacker, there are a few key abilities you need to develop. Technical skills. You'll need a strong grasp of programming languages like Python, Java, or C++, networking concepts, and operating systems. Knowing how servers, databases, and networks operate is key to uncovering vulnerabilities. Problem-solving abilities. Ethical hacking requires creative thinking. Can you think like a cybercriminal to figure out how they'd exploit a system? If yes, you're on the right track. Patience and attention to detail. Identifying weaknesses in systems takes time and a keen eye. And let's not forget tools of the trade. Ethical hackers use specialized software to test and secure systems. Some commonly used tools include Kali Linux, a powerful open-source platform for penetration testing and security assessments. Wireshark, a network traffic analyzer that helps detect vulnerabilities. Metasploit, a tool that tests system defenses by simulating attacks. The good news? Many of these tools are free or have affordable open-source versions, so you can get started even on a tight budget. To be an effective ethical hacker, you need to understand the enemy, cyber threats. Let's cover some common attack types. Phishing. Tricking users into revealing sensitive information through fake emails or websites. Denial of service, DDoS attacks, overloading systems to make them crash or become inaccessible. Ransomware, malicious software that locks users out of their own systems until they pay a ransom. These threats can cripple businesses and ruin lives. Ethical hackers work tirelessly to defend against them by identifying and patching vulnerabilities in time. The next time you hear about a cyber attack, remember, ethical hackers are the ones making sure such incidents don't happen on a daily basis. So, you've decided you want to dive into ethical hacking. Awesome. One of the best ways to build credibility and trust in this field is by earning certifications. You've probably heard of the Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) certification. It's one of the most recognized qualifications in the industry. What's great about CEH? It equips you with the knowledge and tools needed to step into an ethical hacking role confidently. You'll learn about penetration testing, attack methods, and cybersecurity solutions. Other certifications to consider include OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional, CISP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CompTIA Security Plus. Certifications validate your skills to employers and open doors to lucrative job opportunities. Think of them as your ticket into the world of professional hacking. Did you know that ethical hacking is one of the fastest growing careers in tech? It's also one of the most rewarding. Here's why. High demand. With cyber threats increasing every day, companies across industries, tech, finance, healthcare, government, are hiring ethical hackers. Diverse roles. You could work as a penetration tester, security analyst, cybersecurity consultant, or even launch your own independent business as a freelance hacker. Competitive salaries. The demand for skilled hackers means ethical hacking roles often come with impressive pay packages. Starting out, you might work for small organizations, but with certifications and real-world experience, you can climb the ladder quickly. The possibilities are endless. Ready to get started? Here are some simple steps to begin your journey. Start learning foundational skills like programming and networking. Explore free resources and communities online. Platforms like Cybery and Hack the Box are great places to sharpen your skills. Experiment with ethical hacking tools. Many tools like Kali Linux come with tutorials to help you learn. Work on small projects or join bug bounty programs to gain real-world experience. Consider enrolling in a certification course to fast-track your career as an ethical hacker. Remember, no one starts as an expert. What matters is your willingness to learn and your commitment to improving every day. Congratulations. If you've made it this far, you've already taken the first step toward becoming an ethical hacker. Today we've covered a lot, from understanding what ethical hacking is and why it's important to explore tools, skills, and career paths. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and your journey is only beginning. Are you excited to dive into this amazing field? Don't let the doubts stop you. This is your sign to start right now. Share your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and help you on your path to becoming an ethical hacker. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more engaging tech content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay resilient, and let's make the digital world a safer place together. Your cybersecurity journey starts today.